All right, lovers of all things that move, check it out. I am in the Luxor Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, and it is Sunday night. It's kind of quiet. There is not that much going on right now. I am going to be staying here for the night. I'm supposed to be in a standard king room. I want to check it out, and the room was only $30. $30. Let's see what $30 gets us for a night in Las Vegas. It was a long walk.
Yeah, not even this. Right here at 7:30. If I'm not here, just wait for me. Or if we're not here by 8, just carry on and go to the show. If we're not here when you get over here, we're already over there. James and I meet each other. What? It's nice. He said, "What?" I'm sure. I really like it. So what is Dallas?
Well, and I booked a pyramid room. So much for that.
3 minutes.
That's sad.
Body will save so much. People are going out.
247.
It smells funky.
247. Okay. Smells moldy.
Yeah, it's like
Let me see, just make sure I get some light on this so we can see.
that's what it smells.
How did we mess up? So I guess we misread the sign? I guess it is this way. My mistake. All right, first impressions. Here we are.
Oh, this is nice. Looks good.
Well,
This actually looks decent. Surprising.
Not as bad as I thought. Let me take off my bag and then we'll walk around. All right, so I put my bag down. Now, how about we take a look around this room? So like I said, I paid $30 for this room. Now, I'm gonna get into the resort fee later. There's also a resort fee of $50, which if you have status and you're either gold or platinum, they're supposed to waive, which I have. However, because I made the booking through a third-party site, they would not waive the $50 resort fee. So only if you booked the reservation through MGM with your status will they remove the resort fee. So I did find that a little bit cumbersome. I asked them what the resort fee includes, and they said it includes the pool and the Wi-Fi. So we're gonna run a Wi-Fi test and see if it's worth the $50. I'm pretty curious about that. But let's take a look at this room and what we get for $30 on the Las Vegas Strip on a Sunday night. Let's start with the entryway right over here. So you come in, you have this little foyer area here. We got a couple of little mirrors right in here. A little chandelier up in here. Then we come over to here. It's a nice kind of living room situation. You have this little table here. I gotta say, I don't want to be, repetitive in the video and say it every 2 seconds, but just from looking around quickly, there is a lot of scratches and nicks on all the furniture. So you can see right in here, you see over in here. Everything is starting to show some wear and tear. You can kind of see like right in here, right? The glass there. If we just look around, on the chairs down in there, you just see a lot of scratches and stuff. So I'm not sure how old the hotel is. I want to say 20, 25 years, maybe longer. I'll have to double check. But a lot of the stuff is just starting to show its wear and tear. So we have a little coffee maker over here. This is a nice addition for a Las Vegas room, I would say. I'm curious what it looks like inside. Doesn't look that bad. Some calcium buildup, but it's a treat to get some coffee in a room, I gotta say. That's not every room you would find coffee in a room. So that is pretty nice. Of course, no water. So that's important to note. You do need water to make coffee. Clearly you can use the tap if you want, but the refrigerator here is actually turned off. It's hot. So sadly, that wouldn't keep any water cold for you. But you have a little bar sink here. Again, just kind of, shows its little patina around. Totally works. We've got a little cabinet down in here, just for the sink, I guess. So again, I would say, am I happy for $30 looking at this? I mean, this is a good size, I gotta say, right? You got some fake plants over here. We love fake plants, don't we? Nice little desk area that you can sit at. You got a TV here. This thing looks like it opens up to some TV controls. You can probably stream something. Got a couple of drawers here. This piece actually looks newer than some of the other stuff, I would say. It's a nice size TV. I would say it's a little small from some other rooms I've seen, but I'm not complaining about it. I mean, it looks nice. This is a nice little table here. You got the couch situation. What I really love is actually this paneling up along here. This is nice. I think that's very themed with the hotel. So, I mean, again, what I paid for the $30 was a regular premium king. The only thing that I'm sad about it is that it's definitely in the tower. and it's not in the pyramid, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pull up my reservation that I found online. I know I booked for the pyramid because that was what I wanted to stay in. But I mean, this room is quite nice. You got some artwork here, again, the lights, little sitting area here. Looks like there's AC controls in here and in the bedroom. For some strange reason, I am feeling the cool air coming out of here, but in the bedroom it was pumping heat. And they're both set to 66. That's what it was on when I came in. So the bedroom in there is pumping out heat, but in here there's AC. So that's kind of a little bit weird. All right, let's take a look at the bedroom. All right, this looks like a nice bedroom, huh? I gotta say. Check this out. You got this nice, what do you call this? Pleather? Kind of leathery headboard. However, I would say, if I had to give some commentary, I hope that you can see this. I got a little, just like a little napkin here, or tissue. Can you see all the dust that's on this? Look at this. I just literally wiped that all off. I know it's hard to see, but maybe you can catch it in the light here. Look at all the dust that's on this headboard. It's very, very dusty. I'm kind of getting throwbacks of the Borgata for a second. If you haven't seen my Borgata video, you should definitely go check it out. If we're looking over in here at the, I told you this is blowing heat right now. If we look down in here, if you kind of just put the towel here like this, look at this. The whole thing completely covered with dust. So I'm no HVAC expert, but I would say that it's probably blocked. And I'm thinking if we were to take this off, I can't do that. I don't have my screwdriver, and I wouldn't do that. The Borgata just came right off, remember? But I'm guessing this is all completely covered in dust inside, and probably that's why the handler is not working very well. So you do have little furniture right in here that you can kind of sit at. So again, I'm standing right in front of that and it's blowing heat on me. So there's definitely something wrong with that unit. Again, everything, you just look around, is kind of like, you know, peeling and just, you know, some wear and tear. Outside of the dust, I'd say that the bed looks pretty nice. It looks comfy, looks like a nice comfy mattress. Down on the bottom again, just a lot of scuffs on the bed, on the furniture. You got like some kind of rips in here. Again, more dust down in here. There's a lot of crevices to dust, so I'm not like blaming the people that clean. I think they do a great job, but there's just a lot of things to clean. Check this out in here. Again, just a lot of dust. You got dust here on the lights, right in here. You can see it everywhere. Then we got wonderful bathroom in here. This bathroom is huge. You have a little closet area right inside here. I already got my coat up there, my sweater. So you got double vanity here. This is nice. Again, you can just see the, you know, stuff on the furniture like I've mentioned. Toilet area over in here. I'll just put that thing, that tissue away. Check this out. We're talking about the dust and the air filtration. That's pretty tasty, huh? I tell you, I wouldn't want to be the one that has to clean that air duct. I can only imagine what that air duct must look like. Check this out. It's a nice little tub right in here. But it's just a little frail. And then we have shower area right in here. Shower looks nice. Again, nice and clean. Have a little glass here. There's just some spots on the glass. Now, am I being picky? Of course I'm being picky. I'm always picky, right? But what do I think of this room? Is this a nice room for the money? For 30 bucks? Yes. I think I have stayed in much worse. So for 30 bucks, I mean, I think it's a pretty nice room. This ought to be really cool and fun to stay in the pyramid. But I'm only here for one night because I'm actually going to another hotel tomorrow. I came in a day early. That's why I had to find a hotel last minute. And I looked around and they were, I guess, running a sale. 30 bucks on the room. I couldn't pass it up. I had to try it out. And I've always wanted to stay here.